Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel Rug Dubai. Today, we're diving into the world of home decor with a fun and creative project making shaggy rugs. Shaggy rugs are not only stylish and cozy but also incredibly easy to make at home. So, grab your supplies and let's get crafty with this fast and simple technique for creating your very own shaggy rugs. Let's dive in. Step 1. Gather your materials. The first step is to gather all the materials you'll need for this DIY project. You'll need a rug canvas or backing yarn in your desired colors, a latch hook tool, scissors, and a rug grip or non-slip mat to keep your rug in place once it's finished. Step 2. Prepare your canvas. Next, prepare your rug canvas by laying it flat on a clean and flat surface. You can choose the size and shape of your rug canvas based on your preferences and the size of the rug you want to make. Step 3. Begin latching your yarn. Now it's time to start latching your yarn onto the canvas. Take your latch hook tool and insert it through one of the holes in the canvas. Then, loop a piece of yarn around the hook and pull it through the hole, leaving a small loop on the surface of the canvas. Step 4. Create the shaggy texture. To create the shaggy texture of your rug, continue latching yarn onto the canvas, spacing the loops evenly apart. Once you've completed a row, use scissors to cut the loops open, creating strands of yarn that stick up from the surface of the canvas. Step 5. Repeat the process. Repeat this process row by row, working your way across the canvas until the entire surface is covered with shaggy yarn strands. You can experiment with different colors and textures of yarn to create a unique and personalized design for your rug. Step 6. Finish and secure. Once you've covered the entire canvas with shaggy yarn, trim any excess yarn to create a neat and uniform surface. Then, flip the rug over and secure the edges by gluing or stitching them to the back of the canvas. Finally, place a rug grip or non-slip mat underneath your rug to keep it in place on the floor. And there you have it, a fast and simple technique for making your very own shaggy rugs at home. Whether you're looking to add a cozy touch to your living room or bedroom, or you simply want to get creative with your home decor, making shaggy rugs is a fun and rewarding DIY project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY inspiration and home decor ideas. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!